how to rotate a picture in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to head over to your Photos app. Open up the photos that you want to rotate. Then you can see the sliders icon at the bottom. You just need to go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see crop. Click on that. And then you can see triangle and square icon at the top. Tap on the square icon and you can see it's rotating. So you can hit done after you're done with the rotation. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.